Thank you for joining us to find out what's new in 2. Today we're going to take a closer look inside of DocStyle 2.0 and introduce one of our brand new features to you in 2 minutes or less. We don't have a lot of time, so let's get started. Why can't we just click a button and build styles automatically? That was the question we asked ourselves in the beginning when DocStyle was nothing more than an idea. To deliver a consistently accurate solution, we must address the elephant in the room, simple human error. Today, we bridge the gap between Create Clean Document and automatic styles by introducing Analyze and Repair, which is part of our brand new Quick Cleanup feature set. Before we get into Analyze Numbering, we've created a split icon and rebranded Change Format to Global Changes. To learn more about Change Format, you can view this video here. We've added 2 new configurable options to what is now Global Changes: the ability to set the number of spaces that follow a sentence and convert all quotes to either curly or straight. These options are part of our toolbox. However, now they can be saved and reused alongside other settings for universal adjustments to your document. To show Analyze Numbering, we've purposefully made errors throughout this document, which have been highlighted in yellow. When we run the DocStyle numbering check, we find 2 paragraphs that have incorrect numbering and 1 where the formatting doesn't match other similar paragraphs within the document. Choosing Fix All Items will make the necessary adjustments, allowing you to proceed with confidence. Using the DocStyle Toolbox, we can quickly remove the highlighting we've added from all paragraphs, returning this document to normal. Not only did we build Analyze and Repair into the task pane, we've gone a step further and included this within automatic styles as well. Opening the Style document window, you'll find a special checkbox allowing you to simultaneously analyze and fix numbering issues while applying custom styles automatically. Now with DocStyle, you can create a clean document by removing old styles, repair numbering or formatting errors to prepare paragraphs for the fastest and most accurate styling engine available. If you'd like to learn more about how DocStyle 2.0 can dramatically improve efficiencies within your organization, contact us today. You can get in touch with us by visiting our website at www.docstyle.net.